Number 2, 24 JE 23, protect lives and properties against major floods, construction, rehabilitation of flood mitigation facilities within major river basins and principal rivers, construction of flood control project along Labangan River, Dipaya, Labangan, Zamboanga del Sur. With the upper budget for the contract is 29,400 pesos. 24 JE 24, construction, rehabilitation of flood control mitigation facilities within major river basins and principal rivers, construction of Salug flood control, Barangay Tumapic, Mahayag, Zamboanga del Sur, with the approved ABC of 39,200,000. For 24 JA 0025, Basic Infrastructure Program, Public Water Supply System, Level 2 or 3, construction of water system at Barangay Bunyaw to Barangay Mangilis, Municipality of Mahayag, Zamboanga del Sur, with the ABC of 9,900,000 pesos. For 24 JA 0026, Special Road Major Vehicles Users Change Charge MVUC as per Republic Act 11239. Installation, application of concrete barriers with complete road traffic devices along Junction Aurora, Monte Alegre, Labangan. Station kilometer 1649 plus 304 to kilometer 1650 plus 466 Zamboanga del Sur with the ABC of 9,800,000 pesos. For 24 JE 0027, construction improvement of access road leading to trades, industries, and NRJ to Barangay San Jose, Aurora, Barangay Manilan in support to Tukuran Kuko activated carbon sa Zamboanga del Sur with the approved budget of contract of 4,900,000. AA 0029, Sustainable Infrastructure Project Alleviating Gaps, construction of road Barangay Dontulan, Barangay Bugo, Kalabat to Barangay Napulan to Barangay Leonardo Road, Josefina, Zamboanga del Sur with the approved budget of contract of 20,580,000 pesos. For 24 JA 0030, Sustainable Infrastructure Project Alleviating Gaps, construction of road Barangay Kahayagan to Barangay Kagawasan Road, Pagadian City, Zamboanga del Sur with the approved budget for the contract of 24,500,000 pesos. For 24 JA 0031, BIP multipurpose building facilities to support social services, construction, completion of multipurpose building, gymnasium, Zamboanga del Sur, National Barangay Santa Maria, Pagadian City, Zamboanga del Sur, with the approved budget for the contract of 49,500,000 pesos. The last is the 23 JA 0095, Sustainable Infrastructure Project, Alleviate Gaps, multipurpose building facilities to support social services, construction of multipurpose building with the approved budget for the contract of 9,650,000 pesos. But before to start the detail of by the planning personnel, we strongly recommend, we strongly suggest that no space allowed. It is discouraged, allowed. Only those authorized personnel with the legit ID of the company. So to start with for the discussion of the detail of the projects, we will give this microphone to the planning personnel. Thank you.
Good morning to each and everyone. Then sa tong online viewers po, good morning, ma'am, sir. Magsugod dito sa flood control project. 24 GE 0022, protect lives and properties against major floods, construction, rehabilitation of flood mitigation facilities within major river basin and principal rivers, construction of flood control structure Mapangi River Basin. Location is Tambulig, Zamboanga del Sur. Station limits is magsugod ta sa existing flood control. From station 00 to 346 to station 00 plus 221.52. Net length niya is 124.28 linear. Occupational safety and health program, mobilization or demobilization. Reinforcing steel bar grade 40 minor structure. Hand-laid rock embankment. Trees furnishing for cocoa tree. Individual removal of trees small at 150 mm diameter up to 300 mm diameter. Structure excavation common soil. Embankment from excavation. Aggregate sub-base course. Concrete slope protection. Structural steel sheet pile furnish. Structural steel sheet pile driven. Then ang atong steel sheet pile length ani is 12 meters. And moro to sa 24 GE0022. Then proceed ta sa 24 GE0023. Protect lives and properties against major floods, construction, rehabilitation of flood mitigation facilities within major river basins and principal rivers, construction of flood control projects along Labangan River, Dipaya, Zamboanga del Sur. Location niya is Dipaya, Labangan, Zamboanga del Sur. Then, yung length is 141.6 linear meter. Total project duration is 200. Then, unworkable days, 25 days. Number of Sundays, 25 days. Then, with approved budget for the contract of 29,400,000. Items involved is provision of field office for the engineer, rental basis, project billboard and signboard, occupational safety and health and program, mobilization or demobilization, reinforcing steel bar grade 40 minor structure, structural concrete class A, minor structure, hand-laid rock embankment, structure excavation common soil, rubble concrete, structural steel sheet pile furnace, structural steel sheet pile driven. Then ang atong steel sheet pile nga length ani is 12 meters. Okay. Nag-base mi sa mong kuan ma'am. Sa ma'am sa first kuan ma'am 6 12. Then mora to sa kuan 24 GE0023. Then proceed ta sa kuan 24 GE0024. Construction, rehabilitation of flood control mitigation of facilities within major river basin and principal rivers. Construction of Salug flood control. Location is Barangay Tumapic, Mahayag, Zamboanga del Sur. Station limits niya is from existing project yapon. From station 00 plus 220 to station 00 plus 107.25. Net length niya is 112.75 linear meter. Total project duration is 28 days. Number of Sundays is 26 days. With the approved budget for the contract is 39,200,000. Items involves provision of field office for the engineer rental basis, project billboard, signboard, occupational safety and health program, mobilization or demobilization, reinforcing steel bar grade 40 minor structure, hand-laid rock, embankment, structure excavation common soil, embankment from excavation, aggregate sub-base course, concrete slope protection, structural steel sheet pile furnace, and structural steel sheet pile driven. Then ang length na to sa steel sheet piles ani is kuan 12 meters yapon. Then mora to sa flood control.
Good morning sa tanan, sa mga hepe, sa tanang mga nay. So let me discuss the fourth project, 24JA0025, Basic Infrastructure Program, Public Water Supply System Level 2 or 3, Construction of Water System at Barangay Bunyao to Barangay Manggilis, Municipality of Mahayag, Zamboanga del Sur. This project is tied up to the project of the LGU. So that's why mga pipelines lang atong projects. Scope. Pipelines. So, scope of work, 200 mm diameter UPVC pipe, Series 8, Class 150. And since this project will mutabok sa bridge, ano siya, GI pipe, 200 mm diameter, heavy gauge, 8.2 mm. Pipe length, 2,765 meters with a total project duration of 120 calendar days with an ABC of 9,900,000. So these are items involved for this project. Other general requirements, the project billboard, occupational safety and health program, and demobilization. For the water supply, we have the plumbing works, the metal structural steel plates, metal structure bolts, pipeline trench excavation, fill and backfill from pipeline trench excavation, then 200 diameter PVC polyvinyl chloride pipe. So those are the items involved for the fourth project, 24JA0025. So let me proceed to the fifth project, 24JA0026. Special Road Fund, Motor Vehicle Users Charge, or MVUC as per RA 11239. Installation, application of concrete barriers with complete road traffic devices along Junction Aurora Monte Alegre, Labangan, K1649 plus 304 to K1650 plus 466, Zamboanga del Sur. So this project is the construction of concrete barriers with road traffic devices with a total project duration of 90 calendar days. These are the items involved for this project. Other general requirements, the project billboard, occupational safety, traffic management, mobilization and demobilization. For the miscellaneous structures, we have metal guardrail, metal beam in piece, bull nose, then we have the warning signs, the road obstacle signs, steep descent, and for road obstacle signs, falling rocks, and for supplementary signs, trucks use low gear, expressway traffic instruction and regulatory signs, check brake, expressway traffic instruction and regulatory signs, reduce speed now. Traffic instruction signs, stay in your lane, drive between the lines. Reflective pavement studs, raised profile type, bidirectional. We have also the reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings, white, and then including the rumble strip. Then reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings, yellow. For the road safety barrier system, rigid concrete safety shape, jersey type. So those are the items involved for this project, 24JA0026.
So ang next na ito nga i-discuss is number 6 with a contract ID of 24JE0027 with a project name of Construction Improvement of Access Roads leading to Trades, Industries, and Economic Zones, NRJ to Barangay San Juan, Aurora, to Barangay Manilan in support of Tukuran, Coco Activated Carbon, Zamboanga del Sur. So kaninga project, natay scope of work of road concreting with structural concrete line canal, 6.7 meters width with a thickness of 0.28 meters thick. Then ang sub-base course is 0.2 meters thick. So ang station limit ani na project is station 00 plus 00 to station 0 plus 072. So ang road length lang ani na project is 72 meters. No, kaya ang ato ang approved budget contract is only 4.9 million. So mora ang naabot 72 meters. So ang total project duration of this project is 50 calendar days with a number of predetermined wither of 7 calendar days and unworkable days of 6 calendar days. So ang items involved ani na project is other general requirements. Ang mga item ani involved is project billboard, occupational safety and health, traffic, and mobilization. Sa earthworks na atay removal of trees, excavation,
structure excavation and subgrade preparation. And naatay item 200 para sa subbase, and sa surface course natay item 311 sa ato ang shoulder pod. Naapod tay item 311 atong gigamit ani with a thickness of 0.15 for the shoulder with a 1.5 meters width. And napod tay drainage and slow protection structure ani involved. And lastly, naatay trees furnishing for the miscellaneous structures and thermoplastic pavement markings, color white. So I think maura to sa project number 6. Proceed ta sa project number 7. If napay mga question, wala na ma'am? Later na lang. Okay, so proceed ta sa project number 7 with a contract ID of 24JE0028 with a project description of construction of bypass and diversion roads Dipolo, Miligan, San Isidro Diversion Road, Mulavi, Zamboanga del Sur. Station limits of this project is Station 1 plus 809.55 to Station 3 plus 305. So nitay up rata ni sa existing dito sa actual. So ang road length ani na project is 1,495.45. So ang scope of work ani na project is road concreting with line canal, and napotay guardrail, bolnos. So later ato nang i-discuss. So ang approved budget contract of this project is 48 million ang approved budget contract. So ang total project duration of this project is 180 calendar days. Number of predetermined weather is 22 calendar days, and unworkable days is 21 calendar days. So ang road width of this project is 6.7 meters width with a thickness of 0.28 meters. And kay tambak man ni siya nga tambakunon ang terrain ani, so natay subbase nga gamit is 0.3 meters thick. So ang items involved of this project is first, facilities for the engineer. So nag-provide ta og first item is provision of field office for the engineer, rental basis. So mo ni ang na-discuss last period nga wala ni namo na incorporate sa mga program kaning mga field office, so kanina na ni siya. Next is provision of furniture, fixtures, equipment and appliances for the field office for the engineer. So natay mga gi-add nga mga equipment nga magamit sa site, no? Next is natay provision of 4x4 pickup type service vehicle on bare rental basis. Okay. So next is other general requirements, project billboard, occupational safety, traffic, and mobilization. So sa earthworks, natay removal of trees. Total number of trees is 27. So natay 2 classes of diameters diri na incorporate. Tapos sa actual na atay existing concrete. So ang thickness ato kay 0.15 man, so gi-remove na to siya. So naka-incorporate na po itong item 3, removal of actual structures obstruction with a 0.15 meter thick. Naputay diameter dito nga 610 mm nga RCPC existing. So gi-remove na to siya, to gi-replace na to into bigger diameter. Oh. Yes, ma'am, 910 mm. So, other earthworks, structure excavation, embankment from excavation, embankment from barrow. So, natay sa base course, surface course na to, kay natay item 311 nga 0.28 meters with diameter, road width of 6.7 meters thick. And ang ato ang shoulder ani, gi-concrete na lang po nato with a thickness of 0.15 meters thick. And sa part G na to, natay drainage and slope protection structures, natay structural concrete line canal. So ang ato ang design sa kanal ani kay kuan man gud to murag ni namanggoy niya ma'am nga existing. So yung canal siya ma'am pero mas dako ang iyang dimension compare sa atong mga usual nga dimension sa atong kanal. Yes sir. Na maigo, yes sir. Namanggoy existing. Ang bukato ma'am dili ko ka familiar kay si Sir Engineer Benjamin ang naka-prepare ma'am so yeah mas wider. So so refer na lang ta sa tuang approved plan for this item. So other miscellaneous structure involved ani nga project natay guardrail, trees furnishing and thermoplastic pavement marking white. So I think maura to siya sa project number 7. So let's proceed sa next project with a contract ID of 24JE0029 to be discussed by Engineer Paul.
So good morning. Let's continue. So sustainable infrastructure program, elevating gaps, construction of road, Barangay Duntulan, Barangay Bugo, Kalabat, to Barangay Napulan, and Nupulan, Barangay Liop, Nardo Road, Josefina, Zamboanga del Sur. Station limit niya is 3 plus 272.5 to station 3 plus 8770. Na naa siya approved budget of number 8 ma'am. 20,580,000. Na siya road length of 604.50. Scope of work niya is road concreting. Road width niya is 6.70 meters width. PCCP thickness is 0.28. Sub-base course 0.30 meter thick. Total project duration niya sa project is 170. Number of predetermined days is 21. Unworkable days niya is 20. Items involved are other general requirements, project billboard, signboard, occupational safety and health program, traffic management, mobilization, demobilization, removal and relocation of utilities, which is tulo ka electrical post. Earthworks involve individual removal of trees, 150 mm to 300 mm diameter small, surplus common excavation, structural excavation, common soil, pipe culverts and drainage excavation, embankment from roadways / structural excavation, subgrade preparation. Nasa sub-base course involved item 200, aggregate sub-base course. Surface course are Portland cement concrete pavement 0.15 meter thick and Portland cement concrete pavement na 0.28 meter thick. Nasa reinforcing steel bar grade 40 na line canal sa drainage and slope protection structures niya. Nasa structural concrete class A RCPC 910 mm diameter class 4. Grouted riprap class A, stone masonry, and retaining wall, head wall, wing wall, apron, and catch basin. Miscellaneous structures niya is hazard markers 450 mm, 60 mm times 6. Trees transplanting, coco, isa lang. So, isa lang agad. Reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings. And that's all for project 24GE0029. So let's proceed to project 24GE0030. Sustainable Infrastructure Program, Elevating Gaps. Construction of Road, Barangay Hayagan to Barangay Kaugawasan Road, Pagadian City, Zamboanga do Sur. With approved budget of 24,500,000. Na station limit niya to 0 plus 347 to station 1 plus 160. Na road width niya is 813. Scope of work niya is road concreting. Road width is 6.10 meters. Sub-base course is 0.20. Total project duration is 175 calendar days. Number of predetermined days is 22. Unworkable days, 22. So let's proceed to the 813, sir. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So let's proceed to the items involved. Other general requirements, project billboards as line board, occupational safety and health program, traffic management, mobilization, demobilization, removal and relocation of utilities na 24 GE 0030, ma'am. Ah, 30. Yes, ma'am. Ah, so nasa ito ka electrical post na relocate. So proceed ta sa earthworks. Individual removal of trees 150 mm to 300 mm diameter. Surplus common excavation, structural excavation common soil, pipe culvert and drainage excavation, embankment from roadways slash excavation, subgrade preparation, and aggregate sub base course. Item 200. Na siya is surface course na PCCP 0.15 meter thick and 0.23 meter thick. Na siya drainage and slope protection na reinforcing steel bar grade 40 line canal, structural concrete class A line canal, RCPC na 910 mm diameter class 4 and stone masonry. So sa miscellaneous structure niya is na siya metal guardrail, metal beam and piece bullnose, hazardous markings, tree transplanting cocoa na tulo, reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings. And that's all for project 24 GE 0030. So
To continue on, for project number 10, 24, project ID 24JE0031, BIP, MPB facilities to support social services construction, completion of multipurpose building, the gymnasium, Zamboanga del Sur National High School, located in Santa Maria District, Pagadian City, Zamboanga Aulay District. Zamboanga del Sur with the ABC amount of 49,500,000 with a calendar days, project duration of 210 calendar days. Ang scope involved, since kuan naman siya, completion na siya, so ang amo ang gi-involved ring kuan na lang, safety and sign billboards. For earthworks, ang existing na lang ditong nabilin to remove slab on grade, then embankment from barrow, gravel fill. For concrete works, ang major works na lang ani nato sa tong completion ang bleachers, concrete bleachers, as well as the additional nga VIP room which is in the second floor. So na siya suspended slab. And then the rest are architectural finishes. From CHB na ami katong 4-inch o kuan and as well as 6-inch nga load bearing na nasa specified area nga necessary na mo siya nga ibutang tungod kay naa siya embankment, and then lower blocks, and then siya door frames. So necessary kay ma-observe na mo ma'am provide me og door frames nga mga wooden, then after sa actual kay mahimo na lang mang concrete. So na siya diri door frames, door jamb, and doors for wooden panel. And then aluminum glass doors, glass windows, fixed type nga glass, and then roll up door. And then napod mi also sa major gihapon siya nga kuan, since na amo man tong kailangan nato i-retrofit ang tanang truss members niya na siya plan na amo supplement. And then napod siya roof sa second floor nga BIP gihimo lang mo siya nga steel deck ang ato ang kuan, kay naa naman siya existing na beams and columns. So amo na siyang paapasan og second floor using metal decking. And then ang ato ang toilets, modular partitions, katong bago na karon nga ma-design sa mga toilets, wala na tagagamit atong mga kanang division, yung partition. So modular na siya ang tawag. And then gibutangan na siya og ceiling, tanan kuan areas. Tile works are involved also, as well as the flooring, except sa amo ang basketball court area nga kailangan siya i-rubberized paint. So other works, painting works from all masonry concrete surfaces for wooden areas and steel, and mo na siya ang painting works na among textured finish, mo na siya katong rubberized paint for concrete basketball court area. Then sa plumbing works na mo ma'am na gi-add aning item ang kuan. Overhead tanks, kay ang Santa Maria lisod man og kuan supply sa tubig. So nag-provide me og kanang overhead tank as well as katong collection tank mo nang naay water tank na pa joy overhead tank. And then septic tank, catch basin, storm drainage downspout, sanitary fixtures, water line and sewer line. Amo na sa di siya gibutangan og pump control, centrifugal pump with control. And then sa electrical works, kung padayon na lang man to siya, additional na lang ning conduits sa mga area nga among gi-add sa second floor. And all wiring works, panel board, lighting fixtures. Also nag-provide me og transformer. Kay dagko na gina siya og load. Then kaning auxiliary system, kato na ni siyang LED nga panel display video. Mura siya og kanang sa tawagan na Sir Bry. Panel LED display. Mura siya kanang TV screen naka-LED. Tas air conditioning system, tanang stalls ni siya except lang sa basketball area. So nag-provide sad mi og kanang sa tawag ani fire protection pero dry pipe system ni siya nga kuan, and fire alarm system. Ang aircon area lang ani ma'am ang mga VIP room o katong nice stalls area. Ang katong bleachers kuan lang siya, electric fan. So proceed to project number 11 with project ID 23JE0095, Sustainable Infrastructure Projects Elevating Gaps, Multipurpose Building, Facilities to Support Social Services Construction of Multipurpose Building, located in Poblacion B, Medsalip, Zamboanga del Sur, with project duration of 200 calendar days. Ang yang scope of work kani siya po continuation murag extension po ni siya sa existing building sa MP Mifamco building. Yes, ma'am. So the scope involves the permits and clearances, project billboards, occupational safety and health, and mobilization for earthworks, structural excavation from common soil, embankment, gravel fill, concrete works, and plain reinforced. Structural concrete footing, tie beam, columns, suspended slabs, beams,
Right.
steel works, formworks, and for architectural finishes, CHB 100 mm lang ato ang gigamit. Then doors, frames, wooden panel doors, steel doors and frames, aluminum glass window, fixed type glass window, hollow core flush door, and finishing hardwares. So, sa finishing works, also the cement plaster finish, fiber cement ceiling, granite tiles, painting works for concrete and steel, roofing works, plumbing works involves sewer line, cold water, storm drainage, downspout, plumbing fixtures, and septic vaults. For electrical works, includes conduits and fittings, wires and wiring devices, panel boards, and fixtures, lighting, and lamps. For mechanical, kuan lang, fire alarm system and fire extinguisher. So wala na siya air condition. And I think that's all for the pre-bid conference.
Okay, thank you, no? So, tanal ako in 23, GA095. Katuning project nga, daghang kay change order. Sumpay ni siya.
Katong
So,
may
ganina
FAMCO
sa
ma'am
may
nga
FAMCO,
building.
mo ni-
Yes,
mo ni
ma'am.
siya.
Naay hostel, naay commercial, and then
Bali, ikaupat na ni-release.
kaupat na ba? Rika, unom naman si kalima.
O ba? By phase.
By
So,
face magod siya, ma'am.
Kasi sa previous, no, daghang kasi mga changes ang gusto nila doon. Karon tanala ko kung na-cater ba ang mga gusto nila. Kay basin nagpag-implement na mag-usab-usab. Kay mo na tabo sa previous. So daghang kayo change order ni tabo. So kini na-cater na
Di pud nato directly nga tubag ma'am nga na cater ang tanan
I
nila
mean, kanang mga
gi-require.
request nila nga gusto ba?
Okay. Lahi ra ba ni mostly ang mga co-ops kay body man gunin sila no. So involved of
Kain sila
boards. So mag-usab-usab ang ilang mga decision. So I don't know nasa implementation na ni ma'am.
So mas maayo mangutat sa prior sa implementation na kuan sila ba na ingnan ta sila. Kay di lang kay nani kay kapila namin nakakuan diha sa previous pa nahitabuan ni nga pag-usab-usab sakto ga-usab-usab ang ilang hunahon na nga. From time to time na mga changes. Anyway, mo kani sa ano bitaw sa 23 24 GA sa 0 sa 30 katong relocation sa electrical post only relocation so wala na to makonsider ang removal ani.
Apil
By
removal, ma'am.
Apil na
Apil lang.
removal
Yes, ma'am.
relocation.
Yes, ma'am.
Sige. Then kining sa kuan ba? Pwede ba nato mahimo ang kaning instead sa katong ng shoulder 11 at 311B pwede nato i-shoulder ay concrete mas magwapo mo i-concrete nato kay mulapad na may i-concrete niyo ang shoulder diri oh. So ang uban depende sa pang kwarta. Mas lindot gud siya kung ma-concrete no kay mas mo-widen siya. Ang like kanang padong bitaw dito. Depende sa slope din siya. Sabi na ko tanang pwede i-kuan na to. Then kining kuan lang no last na kani bitong rental basis sa dili sa kuan sa bank house. Rental basis no then naman siya gi-produce bali nag kuan siya ka ng mga na siya gi-purchase diyan nga mga gamit sa sulod.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So for 6 months 180 calendar days.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So what after sa project kaning mga kuan turnover sa opisina. Turnover sa opisina. Okay. So magpirma na sila ng nga na turnover. So mas maayo. So mag-ask yun sila kuan. Okay, okay. Mas maayo. Si so turnover no. Then any comment from materials tong Engineer Suarin.
Good morning. Additional information lang sa atong mga prospective bidders for 24 JE 0026 katong sa MVUC nga kuan nga project. The prospective bidders should have experience in mga traffic safety management, no? Katong na mga traffic signs, because the major item ani niya ang iyahang murag major category of work is TEMS katong traffic engineering management system. So ang contractor dapat naa siya experience in installing mga safety signs, signages kay kuan maguni siya regarding safety. Importante ni siya na namantay Republic Act ani about road safety. So muni usa sa requirements sa atong prospective bidder nga dapat na siya experience ani yes ma'am, traffic devices. And then sa other projects like building, musunod gihapon ta sa kuan DO 49 series of 2021. And then another information is that ato ang kuan gyud i-insure, ang contractor ilang i-insure nga inugbid nila ang ilahang materials engineer dapat 3 projects lang ang i-handle at the same time. So pag mobid sila dapat ilang tan-awon ang ilahang kuan mga personnel nga dili mag-overlaps kay gisampulan na mi ana or gi-urge gid ni ana ni USEC kanlas kay last nga bidding nila dito sa Manila naagi sila kanang disqualify kay ang katong isa ka personnel na siya lain gihandulan nga project. So kana siya nga point. Thank you.
Kani sa ano ba? Isa rin na kuan yan. Wala na mo katong sa tiguma bitaw. Wala pa. So kini pa lang. So naamoy ato. Pero sa 20 either karon. So anything from mga queries? So online query na So wala na no. So wala man tay actual no. So just an information to all prospective bidders no and contractors must attach Platinum Pilgrims membership. This is our full today, so let's adjourn. Thank you.